Hello everyone, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RxSpotlight Pro 21 on Windows platform. Let's get started. So in this directory, as you can see, I have the exe, that is the build, and I have one license file and the serial number. First of all, I'll copy the serial number and then I'll minimize, and then I will click on the installer. So now it will ask for the permissions to go ahead. I will say yes, and now the installation wizard will start. So now it says that it will install the applications on the system, so I'm okay with that. I'll click next, and now you need to approve the license agreement, so I'm okay with that, and I'll click next, and I will paste the serial number here. Make sure that I'm not adding any space into it, and then I will use my name here and my company name. Okay, so then I will press next, and I can change the directory where I would like to install the applications. On my case, I'm okay the software being installed on C drive, so I will click next, and now everything is ready for the installation. So I'll click on install, and now it is installed on my system, and you can see the icon on my desktop, and now it says that launch the registration wizard. So yes, I want to launch the registration wizard. I will click finish, and now it says that request license. I will choose activate license here because I already have the license file, and then I'll click next, and then I will browse the license file. So I will go to the directory here, and I'll choose the license. I will say open, and then next, and finish. And now I will right click on it. We'll go to properties and compatibility. From there I should change the settings to system enhance. So this is okay. I'll click OK, and I will go to open the application. So I'll double click and I'll wait for a few seconds, and there you go. So now you can see the applications. I'll turn these options off, and now I can see the applications opened on my system. And now I can say that I should be able to drag the menus here, and I need the properties, and I need to see the command lines. I'll click new tab, double click, and few other settings, like I'll go to tools, and then I'll click on preference. Here a few things, like I would like to work using 5% size of the cursor or the cross here, you can say, and the big box is yes, big box maybe something around maybe 10, and then I will go to the selection mode. I will click here new selection style, and maybe I will also turn this PDF options. So import PDF, in this I will change the DPI to 300. So now this is okay. Now I'm ready to work using RxSpotlight Pro 21. That's all for today. See you next time.